To you, the African child, I see your struggle. The nights you go to bed hungry, the sound of rain through a broken roof, the weight of dreams carried by bare feet. But hear me, you're not the pain. You are not the poverty. You are not forgotten. Your blood remembers greatness. From Kush to Kemet, from Zimbabwe to Mali, you came from builders, healers, visionaries. You were there when empires were born from dust. So lift your head. Let go of hate. Love yourself. Love your people, even those on the other side of your pain. Because unity is where we begin to rise. You are not just surviving, you are awakening. Follow us to rediscover your story. Because you are loved, you are worthy, you are one.